Hello students, myself Devesh Singh from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar. Dear students, first of all, Happy Navratri to all of you. Once again, we have connected here in online classes. As you know that there is a great effect of this COVID-19 disease. So students, this is your responsibility to connect yourself in the classes and to join the class and use the advantage of the syllabus. Okay, now today I am also going to proceed this chapter French Revolution, and in the last video you have read about the society of France, how in the society of France was divided into three states: first state, second state, and third state. I have explained you yesterday. Now in this video we have to read the struggle to survive, means how the population of the France struggle to survive there. So you have to read here, especially the population of France rose from about 23 million in 1750 to 28 million. Means the total population from 1750 to 89 increased from 23 million to 28 million. 28 million. All of a sudden, the big increment of the population in the society of France. And at that time, when France was suffering so much due to the effect of economical condition, due to the effect of war, due to the effect of compensation amount which they had to pay to their neighboring country. So in this pitiable condition, this great increment of the population made them in trouble and made them in trouble, and now the production of France was same at that time, but the consumption level was so high. And you know that in the market, if production is same and consumption is increasing, at that time there will be good demand of the things, of all the basic requirements, and definitely there will be also rising in the cost of the basic things. So the same things also happen there. Population increased, and just after it, the production of food grains couldn't make up pace in the society of France, and so there was a great crisis of bread. And bread which was the staple diet, bread which was the staple diet of the people in France. Staple diet means the chief diet, the chief things that is used in the फूड, जो उनके फूड में सबसे अधिक यूज़ की जाने वाली चीज़ थी, ब्रेड थी. एंड देयर आफ्टर द लो प्रोडक्शन, दिस स्टेपल डाइट वाज आल्सो impressed so much there, and so there was a great crisis of bread in the society. Now, okay, just after it, when the industrialist, the capitalist who belong especially to the first and second state, when they observe the situation that the cost rising is increasing very rapidly, and there will be great demand of the increment of the salary by the workers, at once those industrialists and capitalists fixed the wages of the laborers. Students, you can इमेजिन हियर कि जो कास्ट है वो काफ़ी तेज़ी से राइज कर रहा है, और जो वेज उनकी है उस वेज को और पहले से कम करके फिक्स कर देना, तो पैसे की इनकम बढ़ेगी नहीं और जो कास्ट है उसको राइज करता जाएगा, तो क्या होगा? एट दैट टाइम डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी ग्रेट क्राइसिस, देयर विल बी रिवोल्ट, देयर विल बी ग्रेट एंगर इन दैट कंट्री. द सेम थिंग हैपन आल्सो हियर. Okay, so this great effect maintained there. The gap between the poor and the rich developed so much. जो बड़े थे वो तो अपना सर्वाइव कर रहे थे, अपनी व्यवस्था को मेंटेन कर रहे थे, बट द पीपल हु बिलोंग टू द पुअर फैमिली हु आल्सो स्पेशली बिलोंग टू द peasants and workers, when the cost of the basic things increased very rapidly, after that they were not able to live, to survive properly, so they became more and more poor. The rich became richer and the poor became more poor. क्यों? रिच इसलिए बढ़ते गए क्योंकि उनके पास इंडस्ट्री थी, फैक्ट्री थी, वर्कशॉप थी, वे उनकी प्राइस को रोक दिए, उनके वेजेस को कम कर दिए, फिक्स कर दिए, और जो वर्कर थे इनकी वेजेस कम हो गई और कास्ट जो था वो सब बढ़ता गया. सो दिस वाज अ ग्रेट इफेक्ट एट दैट टाइम एंड द स्ट्रगल टू सर्वाइव फॉर द पीपल इन अ फ्रेंच सोसाइटी. ओके, सो just after it there was also some natural disaster, and in the natural disaster there was also hail rain, as you have read in the chapter of class 10th English, the first chapter, that the effect of hailstones destroyed the harvest of lencho. Like that here also the hailstones also affected the harvest of the farmers, and also there were some flood, there was also effect of drought, means सूखा भी पड़ गया. तो like that this natural disaster also led the condition more and more pitiable to the society of France. So this critical and pitiable condition is known as the subsistence crisis here. Here this is known as the subsistence crisis. So here it is an important question and you will remember this question. What is subsistence crisis? An extreme situation where the basic means of livelihood, the basic means जो भी जरूरत की चीजें हैं, the basic means of livelihood are endangered. जो कि dangered हो गया means जो खतरे में आ गया means that is not easy to survive those people, that is not easy to get them. So if there is such type of crisis and where the people started to suffer there only to earn their living, this is known as the subsistence crisis here. Okay, now the next point here is a growing middle class. A growing middle class means after that the first stage means the people who were belong to upper class, they were enjoying, there was no effect over them, and the third states were people, especially the poor people who belongs to peasants and farmers, they were suffering so much, they were more and more poorer. Up now the remaining portion was the middle class. The middle class also started to do something to survive them in the society, so they focused there to manufacture the articles. खुद के चीज़ों के अपनी स्किल को उन्होंने यूज करना शुरू किया to manufacture something so that they could sell in the market, and without using a great amount, means to use only a small amount and get great benefit. Such type of motto they started to use in that time to earn their living. So here the heading is a growing middle class envisages and end to privileges. Okay, the growing middle class means at that time the middle class started to expand their views, expand their mind and merit, and they demanded that first of all you end the privileges, जो privileges जो special right, privileges means special right, जो विशेषाधिकार फर्स्ट और सेकेंड स्टेट को प्राप्त था, who were only enjoying the fruit of special rights. So this middle class who belong to the third state, they started revolt against the privileges, especially against the first and second people who were clergy and nobility in the society of France. That first of all, if their government means at that time there was monarchy system, if monarch means Louis XVI wanted to maintain the equal law in the society, first of all you have to make the end of privileges. After that they also said that there will be envisage means they have to consider their means परिकल्पना करना ही पड़ेगा for the growth of the middle class, for the growth of the people who are suffering there, who are poor there. Okay, so the peasants and the workers were now united there, because they knew that unity is strength, so they were united there. And the peasants and workers, when they were united, they were in majority. There was a great quantity of this community, and they started revolt against those people who were sitting on the big chairs, means against nobility and clergy. Now the revolt was fully against of the increasing of the taxes and increasing of the cost of basic things. Okay, now yes, in this 18th century, this such type of revolt started, and such type of revolt was especially by the middle class of the people. And those middle class of people, along with the revolt, they also started to earn their living. So they earn their wealth. They earn their wealth means fortune, dhan. They earn their wealth and expanding ओवरसीज ट्रेड मीन्स ओवरसीज ट्रेड मीन्स विदेशों से व्यापार करना वे शुरू कर दिए. only to see the condition of the country, they started to maintain their life also. Even the quality of the first state and second state of people, they also started the foreign trade, विदेशी व्यवसाय को उन्होंने शुरू कर दिया. And also to the manufacturing of goods such as woolen and silk textile. And also they started the business over the woolen dresses and silk textiles, because at that time it was very demandable item and there was also great profit in these items, so decided to have a trade in these areas. Okay, in addition to merchants and manufacturers, the third state including professions such as lawyer and administrative official, and they were educated and believed that no group in society should be privileged by birth. By and by, in the third state, there were some professional people like the teacher, lawyers, and other official, administrative official. So these educated person started to raise their voice that in the society there must be equal law. In the society, the such type of privilege must be that is provided them since their birth must be finished, and the social position will be maintained in the society on the basis of merit. ये सबसे बड़ी समय की बात रही कि मेरिट के ऊपर, सोशल जो स्टेटस है उसको मेरिट के ऊपर सोसाइटी में लाया जाए. दिस वाज अ ग्रेट डिमांड एट दैट टाइम, एंड इन दिस ग्रेट डिमांड द फिलोसफर लाइक दैट जॉन लॉकी एंड जीन जैक्स रूसो. John Locke and Jean Jacques Rousseau was the philosopher at that time. They demanded for such type of things, such type of mottos that makes equal large and that also finish or make the end of the privilege in the society. Okay.